Have you ever tried to deploy a Docker stack only to be met with frustrating error messages? It can be really disheartening, right? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Docker Deploy in Docker Compose version 3 and troubleshoot common issues. I totally get it. You put in the effort to create your Docker images, and then you hit a wall with an error message. You're not alone in this struggle. Many users face similar challenges when deploying their stacks. Let's look at the specific situation at hand. One user recently encountered an error while trying to deploy their Docker stack using the command sudo docker stack deploy-c docker-compose.yml test. They received an error stating error response from daemon rpc error equals 3 desc equals container spec image reference must be provided. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what does this error mean? Essentially, Docker is telling you that it can't find an image reference for one of your services. This usually happens when the image is not specified in your Docker Compose file, or if there's a typo. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. You won't want to miss it. To address the error message, the user should first check the docker-compose.yml file to ensure that each service has a specified image. The error indicates that an image reference is missing. Next, the user should verify that the image has been built correctly. They can do this by running the command to list all available images and confirming that their intended image appears in the list. If the image is not present, the user needs to build it using the appropriate Docker file. This can be done by navigating to the directory containing the Docker file and running the build command. After ensuring the image is available, the user can retry the deployment command. This time, it should proceed without the previous error regarding the image reference. Finally, if the user continues to encounter issues, they should review the Docker Compose ML file for any unsupported options and remove or modify them accordingly. Fun fact, did you know that Docker was originally developed to help developers manage their applications in a more efficient way? It's come a long way since then, but sometimes it still throws us curveballs. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from a user highlights that the error occurred due to a comment placement in the docker-compose.yml file. They found that the comment needed to start at the first character of the line to avoid issues. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always double-check your Docker Compose file for image specifications before deploying. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the image reference error and successfully deploy your Docker stack. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more Docker insights.